Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2011 Citroen DS3. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on. There's a tick in Bluetooth, that's it, and it's looking out for this system. We go over here to menu at the bottom, click menu. It's pulled Citroen up already. We're on Bluetooth, we click Citroen. Accept pairing with Barry's iPhone. Yes is highlighted. If we didn't want that, we'd just click over there using the arrows, but we want yes. And now we're going to put a code in, 000. So I'm just going to click OK. It's on 0, OK, 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 OK. Then downward arrow to go to accept, which again is OK. 0, pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. It's showing there, paired with Barry's iPhone 13. Where's it gone? No, that's not the one connected. Where's Citroen connected? That's it. That's how you pair a mobile.